Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, we are from Group 5. Today we will present the material about Performance Planning Technology 3E and Balance Scorecard. This is the fourth chapter in our book. First of all, let's introduce ourselves. Hi, I'm Nabila Putri Aglin and this is my friends.
Hello, I am Putri Ramadhani.
What is performance planning technology? Achievement planning technology is creation of work plans that are aligned with strategic goals, achievement indicators, standard or target, and organizational activities in order to solve problems, develop solutions, achieve goals, handle the relationship between inputs and outputs, and or perform certain functions. Three concept or value for money concept. Value for money is term used to assess whether an organization has gained the maximum benefit from the goods and service products with the resource available to it. Key elements of VDM. First, economical. Operational activities are said to be economical if they can eliminate or reduce unnecessary costs. Second, efficiency. The process of operational activities is said to be efficient if certain products or work results can be achieved with the minimum possible use of resources and funds. 3. Effective. Operational activities are said to be effective if the process of these activities can achieve the final goals or objectives the policy. Responsible for the realization of 3E. Most of the 3E-related responsibilities fall to management. Public organizations must ensure the management is able to use its responsibilities to realize the 3E. The audit committee has delayed duties related to 3E. The audit committee must oversee the 3E strategies and policies prepared by management by examining the management units. Things that support the achievement of 3E. 3E can be achieved by considering many organizational activities and behaviors. These include organizational culture, good implementation, explanation of the organizational goals, strategies, and policies, provision of an appropriate organizational culture, provision of appropriate infrastructure, resource, and training. Balance scorecard. Balance scorecard consists of two words, namely scorecard and balance. Scorecard is a card used to record of the score organizational or individual performance result. With the scorecard, the score that the organization or individuals want to achieve in the future can be compared with actual performance result. The result of this conversation can be used to evaluate the performance of the organization or individual concerned. Balance is show that organizational or individual performance is measured in balanced way from two aspects, namely financial or non-financial, short-term and long-term, as well as internal and external.
Goals and action. Several changes to the strategy map need to be made in accordance with the objective of public sector organization including 1. Moving the financial perspective from the top position on the strategy map chart. 2. This perspective is at the top of the strategy map chart to highlight the outcome contribution of key stakeholders. Performance Planning Technology Cycle 3A and BSC. 3A Implementation Cycle as a performance indicator in public organization planning. 1. Concept stage. All alternative contract options can be discussed. 2. Approval of the design. 3. Design stage. The draft that is prepared covers a number of activity contexts, procurement, and budgeting. 4. Assessment and approval, value for money for our work plans. 5. Sourcing and determination, competitive procurement, process implemented according to the specification. 6. Negotiation and finalization of the budget. Ensure the design by linking impact, output, and input. 7. Approval, value for money benefits. 8. Monitoring, considering and responding to progress in producing outputs. 9. Evaluation, reviewing the efficiency of activities. BSC implementation cycle as a performance indicator in public organization planning. 1. Strategy focus. Stage 1. Improvement and commitment to strategy. 2. Rating. Stage 2. Audit measurement. Stage 3. Development of new measurements. Stage 4. Implementation of the new measurement. Stage 5. Analysis and reporting. 3. Plan change and implementation. Stage 6. Implementation of the improvement plan. 4. Continuous improvement. Step 7. Trace matrix tracing. Stage 8. Continuous improvement based on the scorecard flowing down. Engineering Performance Planning Technology 3A and BSC. 3A Technique. 3A Determination Technique. According to the Mandel and Danner 1994, the term time and motion study means 1. Motion study, designing work methods for activity for completion activities. 2. Time study, procedure to determine the length of the time needed. 3. The scope of application of time and motion study. Management considers the basic assumption used for each measurement technique. Goal setting, analysis, criticize, innovation, testing, test, and application. 4. Change of working method, human activities, workstation, order of work, design output, and input. 3A Measurement Technique. 1. Economic measurement. Technique into account in the input use. 2. Efficiency measurement. Efficiency is measured by the ratio between output and input, where the efficiency ratio is expressed in the form of relative. 3. Effectiveness measurement, a measure of the success or failure of an organization in achieving its goals. BSc Engineering. The Balanced Scorecard BSc assessment technique uses the Six Sigma philosophy. Six Sigma is a smart way to manage public organization with facts, figures, and data. Six Sigma, with quantitative answer, changes behavior and brings understanding about comfort zones. Example of achievement planning technology 3A and BSc. 3A deployment, utilizing their own regional financial potential and using a financial balance mechanism between the central and regional governments. For example, regional original revenue come from local tax and levies, balanced through profit-sharing funds, general allocation funds, and special allocation funds. The regional revenue and expenditure budget (APBD) is comprehensive as a form of accountability by the Supreme Audit Agency or BPK. In conclusion, local governments are required to be more responsive, transparent, and accountable to the interests of the community, whose implementation is known as a value for money or FVM. Application of BSc. An example of the application of BSc is environmental health, where the strategic goals are improving individual safety, improving transportation system, improving quality of life, and increasing equal rights and opportunities.
Any question?